Welcome back guys. So today Bitcoin is crashing a lot. I don't want to waste your time, so I've already put up the support and resistance levels. Of course market is crashing today. CPI was expected at 8.1% whereas it came out as 8.3%, but let's start with the 4-hour chart. So we can see this huge candle that has formed showing extreme selling pressure. Currently we are at 20,800 and we cannot ignore this. This is a very important level. Look at this support we saw over here previously. Also the 50 moving average in green color is available here. So yeah, this will help to give some support also. Even in the past we can see support forming at this level of 20,800. So yeah, this can be one of the first areas for support. However, the problem is with the RSI. Look at this. RSI likes to go below 30, 20, and that is the area where we see some pump happen, but currently RSI is sitting at 40. So yeah, there is scope in terms of RSI to go down further and then come to this 20,200, 300 level available over here. This was resistance before, so of course on the way back down this will act as support. If price does not hold at this second support of 20,200, next available area is 19,500, 600. Of course we saw good support in this area before also, so this can be support number 3. And if the market decides to become very horrible, we can find last support at 18,700, 800 level. But I think given the RSI analysis that I presented to you, I think we will come down to test 20,200-300 level, and then we should be okay at least in the short term. From here maybe we will try to come back and test this area, and then we might continue downwards. However, this downward is dependent highly on what happens with Ethereum merge. If Ethereum merge is successful, then yeah, overall crypto might turn out to be positive in the short term at least, and we might continue upwards towards the 21.5 mark. If I quickly head over to the heat maps, you can see Bitcoin 7% down, Ethereum 6% down, and BNB the third one with the largest decline. So yeah, markets are taking a hit today. Just to get a long-term perspective, let's just quickly go to the weekly chart. If I zoom in over here, this red line is actually very important, sitting at around 18,100, 200. This is the 200 moving average on the weekly and generally considered as a very strong support. We saw a dip in this area once before. Maybe there is a chance that we might see a dip into this area again, so we cannot ignore this level. Going back to the 4-hour chart, once again I think we might come down to test the 20,200-300 mark, given that RSI has some scope towards the downside. As you can see, markets are extremely volatile. If you're actively trading into the markets, please don't forget proper risk management. If you like this type of content, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.